Most people think that buying a home in Marbella is choosing between noisy beach crowds or being completely isolated in the hills. They're wrong. There is a hidden pocket with absolute tranquility, sea and golf views, and you are still just 5 minutes from Marbella center. This is Santa Clara, a prestigious, secure enclave on Marbella's east side that gives you the country club lifestyle without cutting you off from the world. The beach? Just a 3-minute drive from the road. If your budget starts at around 900,000 euros, this is exactly where you look. The way the area has developed here is incredible. Santa Clara is expanding with high-end contemporary gated communities. We're talking about energy-efficient luxury villas and apartments. It's the ultimate lock-up-and-go holiday home or permanent residence. It's not just for holiday makers. International families are gradually moving here, and the main reason for that is education. From this very spot, you are less than 10 minutes away from some of the best international schools on the Costa del Sol. The English International College is just 5 minutes away, as well as Alborán. And top institutions like Deutsche Schule and Las Chapas are within an easy 10-minute drive. Everything a family needs is right on your doorstep, including the Costa del Sol Hospital just moments away. And when it comes to lifestyle, you don't even have to leave the neighborhood in order to stay active. Here you are surrounded by 2 premier golf courses, including famous Santa Clara 18-hole course. Residents of the area have quick access to world-famous tennis academies, paddle courts and modern wellness spaces. Santa Clara gives you luxury, privacy and Mediterranean lifestyle perfectly balanced. If you are looking for specific properties in this area, tap the link below and explore the opportunities on our website. Let's find your perfect home in Marbella. See you here!